Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Earth and preparing your coordinates. This saves time. Once the app loads, make sure you're in the correct mode, desktop versus web, because menus differ. Enter decimal degrees, for example 37, 4,219 minus 122, 0840. This format avoids conversion errors. If you need higher accuracy, turn on the grid or coordinate readout in settings. These first actions let you place a marker precisely. Next, you add the place mark using the pin tool or the add menu. This is where precision matters. When the place mark dialog opens, paste your decimal lat, lawn directly into the coordinate input and press enter so the pin snaps exactly where you expect. Name it clearly and choose an icon style or scale so it stands out on the map. Once done, save it into My Places or a folder. That organizes everything and makes sharing or exporting straightforward. Finally, you'll export or verify the location to finish. Right-click the place mark and choose Save Place as to create a KML or KMZ file for sharing. This preserves exact coordinates. Zoom in and reopen the placemark info to confirm the numbers match your source. If something's off, check the coordinate format, confirm the sign for east versus west and north versus south, and ensure you're using the same datum. These fixes resolve almost all placement errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.